Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's study together. But before I proceed, I would like to thank my special viewers and my special subscribers for supporting me and also for motivating me. Today we are going to talk about soil density. What is soil density? Define the term soil density. Soil density is expressed as weight per unit volume. When we are talking about weight, we are simply talking about mass, which is measured in grams or kilograms. So you can say soil density is expressed as mass per unit volume. And when we are talking about soil density, it is categorized into two main concepts, which is bulk density and particle density. Bulk density is a mixture of air, water, minerals, and organic matter. This brings attention to soil composition. And particle density, it consists of pore space and solids, which gives attention to soil porosity. So let's quickly move on to soil porosity. What is soil porosity? Define the term soil porosity. The pore space of a soil is the space occupied by air and water. The spaces which are occupied by air and water in a soil, they are termed as pore space. In sandy soil, the pore space is low. In sandy soil, the pore space is low because sandy soils have got large particles which are loosely packed. So the pore space is low, whereby in clay soils, pore space is very high because the soil particles, they are compacted to each other, they are tightly packed to each other. Presence of organic matter increases pore space. Calculating pore space. How can one calculate pore space? Percentage solid is equal to bulk density over particle density multiplied by 100. In my next video, I will show you how to calculate pore space, particle density, bulk density, and soil porosity. So please subscribe in order to receive those videos. Let's move on. Pore space is equal to 100 minus bulk density over particle density multiplied by 100, and porosity is equal to 1 minus bulk density over particle density. Take note of these formulas. We will need them in my next video. Factors influencing pore space. What determines the space of a pore? We have factors like soil texture, we have got factors like vegetation, we have factors like biological activity, we have size of pores. When we talk about size of pores, it is categorized into three main groups. We have got the macropores, we have got the micropores, we have got the mesopores. But today we are only going to talk about we are only going to talk about two types of pores, the macropores and the micropores. Take note of the spelling. The first one is M-A-C-R-O. The other one is M-I-C-R-O. So for today, I think our lecture is done. Don't forget to subscribe in order to receive more videos. Our next topic will be on soil color.